So the last step after creating new statistics or making changes to your database in general, like entering new employees or new groups, or renaming or simply changing things, is making sure, if you use the cloud, that this data gets updated on the cloud. Originally, Management by Statistics intended to do this automatically, but many customers requested this would not be the case. So what's happening now is when you make those changes, they're not automatically uploaded to the cloud, but it's very simple and very quick to do that. In this example, there are some new statistics. For example, I created cat food versus total percentage, some total statistics and some comparisons. So these are equations, new statistics which will not automatically be updated and added to the cloud. So that's what we're going to do. So to show you they're not on the cloud, for example, here I'm in all statistics and I can see, for example, food total, percentage of cat food versus total. Now, if we go online to the cloud account linked to this database, if I go to all statistics, you can see that I do see some statistics, but I don't see all of them. So what we're going to do is, in Management by Statistics, you use the same wizard. Just click on the Cloud Account Manager, and what you will see is that you have a button here to change what's on the cloud. Click here, and then we're back in the wizard and all the steps. We're just going through registration. I still don't want to update and put all these companies on the cloud, so I'll leave them like this. When I click on next, I'm on the groups. I still have all the groups. And if I click on next, I will see the missing statistics are not checked. So what I will do is just check the ones I want. Click on next, next. And then the last step is your account is already active. Make sure this box here is still ticked off. Sometimes it's not. And depending on what you've done before, and then click on the close button. Don't click on X out, that will not save your settings. Click on close. Now it will take a few minutes, but it will update the information. I'm on the cloud now. You can see that it's still not updated, but you have to remember to refresh your browser. A simple and quick way to do that is to hit the F5 key. So I do that. You can also hit the refresh button or click on the refresh button. Still not there. We'll wait a couple of minutes. So if we go back online, we'll see now that the new statistics are added automatically.